Meaning of Doppler shift.
Doppler shift.
Doppler shift.
Doppler shift.
Doppler shift. Doppler shift refers to the change in frequency or wavelength of a wave as a result of relative motion between the source of the wave and the observer. For example, when an ambulance with a siren passes by, the sound waves from the siren appear higher in pitch as they approach the listener, and lower in pitch as they move away. This is due to the Doppler shift. The shift can also be seen in light waves, such as the redshift observed in light from distant galaxies, which indicates that those galaxies are moving away from us.